Hello, good day. This is Raymond, your real estate agent. Magbibigay po ako ng do's and don'ts para sa mga first-time home buyers. Una po, do check your credit score. Pangalawa, do hire a real estate agent or a real estate broker. Pangatlo, do get pre-approved ng Pag-ibig or ng bangko. Pang-apat, do save your budget for down payment. Panglima, do save your budget for other costs or additional costs. Pang-anim, do save your budget for emergencies. Pang-pito, do consider the location of the project. Pang-walo, do understand your mortgage. Pang-siyam, do insure your house. At ang panghuli po, do not do all of the above things I mentioned all by yourself. Dapat po may katuwang na real estate agent or ng real estate broker. I hope na makatulong po ito sa inyo, lalo na sa mga first-time home buyers. Follow me na lang po and send me stars. Again, this is Sir Raymond, your real estate agent. Salamat po sa inyo.